Alright guys, welcome back to Makati Media once again. Asante Kotoko, a former striker friend Kwame Poku, just recently it was in the news say Abranton must have said or returning back to Ghana. Na club Abranton baby PM na say akoya asema so obi a busha honsem. Na between House of Folk and Kotoko na is almost happy say almost signing Abranton. Na Kweku Edilson Of Wontumi TV abe drop all the secrets about Kwame Poku to Asante Kotoko and say House of Folk no. Menya bochani enti niema Kweku Edilson e wo kan fa asansemi ho.
Kwame Poku, a player, few years ago, Obejini Di Okrum Hase Yepa. I mean, he was the talk of town. Nobie Bonidin, he was scoring left, right, center. He was from Nkransa Warriors. Na Nkransa Warriors, you know, and I will free her. Eba Asante Kotoko. Na from Asante Kotoko, Obaye na confidence and 17, no, na untimi mobile. So he be a football man. I started to say, but he started scoring, started gaining momentum, and was doing the most important. He was scoring goals for Asante Kotoko. Now, the woman said, Asante Kotoko eton no mad USM Alger. Now Alger sifui etia $300,000 in edema Asante Kotoko. $300,000. That was good. Now I'm giving you a background so that you would understand where the issue nankasa every echo. Now, let's do a simple calculations. $300,000 now. Asante Kotoko, AJ free all just for no one. As at that time, that dollar rate near around 8 Ghana cedis. And if say they are not krana a year, you multiply 8 by the $300,000, you are getting something like 2,400,000 Ghana cedis, like 2.4 million. 2.4 million, you know, 24 billion. So that's a good deal for Asante Kotoko. It's $300,000. Say I am told the dollar is around 15.2 or 15 or whatever. But say 15.2 krana. That's like you're getting something little over 4.5 million. Which is like TTC kind of 4.45 billion. So that was good money. If Asante Kotoko takes such money, I mean, that is good. So Kotoko took the money. And Amuma Abranti and Koye. Because now Obaye and the goals that he was scoring. I remember he has scored 9 goals in bare 20 games. Yes, he had the time. He got the opportunity to play for the Black Stars. He was playing for the Black Stars. Even though starting a problem so from there yes, he started well about 16 games about 4 goals now and Shada bad the player who is settling all just one now scoring such goals bad biasa only for when the season progressing afi and the playing time I started from now onya boni be mo and it became a worry. Na a issue ye pa. In Sebusha 4. Back and forth. Now I was say all GS4 no. I didn't loan. I was Najran XC. I was Saudi Arabia. Senebea. Omo okay. Say all GS1 now he's failing to settle down now. Of course Saudi Arabia be obey me settle down. Unfortunately, Saudi Arabia crowd na enye kra. So the Saudi people terminated this contract. So no. Go back to Algeria because performance now obono, you are not there yet. So the striker moved back to Algeria. Remember, say in all this conversation in Nkransa Warriors, I tete akodano, almost see you Kuku Battles. Who used to have a very, very close relationship with Asante Kotoko and I had to fuck. Na Abranton they called by we no. Say no ono an contract and so ye. Ono a all just for no suit to yanika. And now ono so mo mani mo bo ni bi. In see, we apply you'll be frustrated because footballer there will fuel. Will match playing time. O bobo ni bi na mo we nije. So the boy wanted to move on, but teammate $300,000. Abe foul and che biya no die. Okase ko free pa dia onye sa. Inti ni agent na start say which is Kuku Battles. Say omo bisa say omitimi available na I mean they approach Asante Kotoko say if Asante Kotoko eta nka Mbella ekwe ka homa Kwame Poku embra be hye na nka ombe replace Mbella inti Kotoko nkyere krata nkoma OGS4 na OGS4 ne ntiase na akra ne bebobo ma Asante Kotoko na OGS4 no mutwetwe omo kakra so later okay na sadia mutwetwe mo dia mama akra ne mra loan na loan no na e di asem so option to buy inti sa akra ne ba loan no be boye na Kotoko feel say so mo sign the permanent na fe Kotoko ne OGS4 no 8 million dinko since the boy is not playing for OGS4 and OGS4 no I'm say that be because this is a player we recently sold him to you mwana mo ton akora ne de maye incident na nansen ya akora ya ba na wusu a mo ba gibo akora ne free loan no that be it's a bad business it's ase na emom de betimi aya amamuni ewusiafo ana OGS4 ne say omo beje $120,000 $120,000 now $120,000 because they bought him for $300,000 you see I'm saying on bet $120,000 kono $120,000 no planning am yin ni say ya mini wuti we say na dollar ni si adwane no say all the time says our dollars is here almost say 15.2 you stand to corrected though 15.2 yeah you're getting a little over 1.8 million which is TTC cano 18 billion now CCA you can just imagine if Kotoko can pay this amount of money inti the credit I'm in the Sikano na eso de man Asante Kotoko na AI they couldn't pay they could not pay so they have also presented the same proposal to her to focus. Now, again, one thing you should know is Kweku Edilson, who happens to be the agent of this boy. And they had to focus for Air Kasa for the CEO role. Kweku a good relationship with Tobe Afede. You see, once Kotoko are reluctant to pay the $120,000, they have presented the same proposal to her to focus because feel say her to focus the capacity to pay. If Kotoko any sa capacity na how to folk ekutesika o metimi etua because how to folk eba belusu a free year ban. So the proposal is that once a free year ban is leaving, bring in Kwame Poku to replace a free year ban because you cannot rely so much on your son Orchin, Junior Kaba, Kojo or Ben Junior, Isaac Mingsa, and how to folk place the go in. We cannot put so much faith in them into once a free year ban situation on and off no it's better that you replace him with Kwame Poku into $120,000 you know per my sources I mean Kotoko cannot pay cannot full say was rododo but had to folk are you interested in the proposal to bring back Kwame Poku now, on the bomb and for my heart to folk. Now, first question is say, are you prudent for her to folk to pay 1.8 million, which is statistically 18 billion for a player who has been inactive for the last 1 year now? Is it prudent? And these are questions I am asking. Is it prudent for Kotoko and her to folk to do such a business for 18 billion for a player who's been active for the past 1 year? Active for the past 1 year. How well I we say that Kwame Poku we knew say no what Chrome has say no. If you pay such a huge amount or Babe Mouse performance ni bio. So these are questions I'm paying you for toi. To say, hey, are you prudent to make such a decision? And now because the Kwame Poku and I they're not or clinical, but is it the same Kwame Poku? So the battle is on. Whoever are you ready to pay the $120,000? Urges for ne se wodi sika ba ombeje say ye Kotoko say ye hat of common fa ho wa wodi sika ne beba no ombeje aton akoda ne di ama wo class mum ye no bia evaluate. Heart of folk is yet to take a decision because omo dwendwen say sika wodi kwhyem yi a good business and na wodi crash Kotoko Kwame Poku abi players ni bi krebu nkofu awunim krom hasam konwenwi because if be great so salary ni identity time sika kese koma one player and also the problem be brebesi Kotoko so no more pedie but sika na kofo ne boy no matwetwe omo kakra omo so omo ko omo chiaba omo ko hu abrewa. So who takes Kwame Poku? These are the facts and figures on the ground.
Yes, nti no yɛ Kweku Edilson na ɔte sɛ ɔde the secret behind Kwame Poku to Asante Kotoko anaasɛ House of Folk ɛbrɛw no na yɛde yɛni bɛdi nsɛnsɛm n'akyi na any development bi a ɛbɛpie firi aberanteɛ no transfer to Ghana teams ne bi no afei nso no yɛde ɛho nsɛm ɛbɛbrɛw nti mesrɛ wo sɛ woyɛ new ha sɛ make sure sɛ ɔbɛsubscribe na turn on the post notification sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ anytime bia yɛdrɔpe any sports news bi a channel yi so a nso bɛnya na ɔtumi ahwɛ.